Hey everyone, Hank here. Today, we're diving into a topic that's on everyone's mind these days. Let's talk AI and jobs. It's a hot topic, and for good reason. Many people worry that AI will replace us in the workplace. It's a valid concern. The fear of losing one's job to a machine is real and understandable. But here's the thing. AI isn't just about robots stealing jobs. It's also about enhancing our capabilities and working alongside us. It's about creating new ones, too. New opportunities are emerging that we couldn't have imagined a decade ago. Think of it like this. Remember when the internet first arrived? People were skeptical and scared. People were scared it would kill jobs. And it did change things for sure. Entire industries were transformed, and it did change things for sure. But it also opened up a world of new possibilities. But it also created millions of new jobs that never existed before. Like web developers, social media managers, YouTubers, the list goes on. AI is similar. It's not just a job killer, it's a job creator. It's a powerful tool that's transforming industries and creating a demand for new skills and roles. From healthcare to finance, every sector is feeling the impact. And guess who's at the forefront of this revolution? Engineers. They're the ones designing, building, and implementing these AI systems. So, while AI might seem like a foe, it's actually a friend in disguise, opening doors to a future full of possibilities. Engineers are the masterminds behind AI. They design, build, and implement the algorithms and systems that power these incredible technologies. But here's the key. They're not just creating AI, they're creating jobs in the process. Think about it. Building AI systems requires huge teams of people. You need data scientists to analyze massive datasets. You need software developers to write the code. And you need AI ethicists to ensure these systems are used responsibly. And that's just scratching the surface. The rise of AI has created a surge in demand for professionals who can harness its power. This technology is not just a passing trend. It's transforming the way we work and live. From automating mundane tasks to providing insights that were previously unimaginable, AI is at the forefront of innovation. Let's look at some examples. In healthcare, AI is making waves by assisting doctors and medical professionals in diagnosing diseases with greater accuracy and speed. In healthcare, we now have AI specialists who develop algorithms to diagnose diseases earlier and more accurately. These advancements are saving lives and improving patient outcomes. In manufacturing, AI-powered robots work alongside humans, increasing efficiency and creating safer working environments. These robots